Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope so you will be fine. In this video I am sharing new and beautiful ideas, elegant and outstanding different designs. Viewers, I am introducing beautiful bottle craft, and viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully guys you will enjoy this video and you will like my amazing ideas. That's very amazing styles I share in this video. Subscribe this channel and I hope you will enjoy new beautiful and attractive ideas and very amazing pattern. Viewers, you will like these beautiful ideas. That's amazing ideas, and I hope you like this beautiful style. Subscribe this channel. You like this video. That's are very amazing different designs, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. New and outclass ideas and beautiful crafting designs I share. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope viewers you will like this video, and friends, you can enjoy this video. New different ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully guys you will enjoy my ideas, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully viewers, and you can like this video. New and best designs and elegant ideas. Subscribe this channel. I hope viewers you like this video and new stylistic crafting ideas. So guys, like this video and enjoy my ideas. That's very amazing new and stylistic pattern. Subscribe this channel, and hopefully guys you will like this video and new different design. Subscribe this channel. I hope you like this video. Beautiful and new word style ideas and very amazing designs. So guys, like this video and enjoy my ideas. Beautiful and stylistic pattern I am share with you in this video.